In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency on Facebook Marketplace. If you've noticed that prices on Facebook Marketplace are showing in the wrong currency, the most important thing to know is that Facebook usually determines marketplace currency based on your browsing location or your account region. So in most cases, you won't directly change the currency with a dedicated currency button. Instead, you'll update the location Marketplace is using. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone. Once you're in the app, tap the Marketplace icon to enter Facebook Marketplace. This is where you'll be able to adjust the area you're browsing in, which often affects the currency shown in listings. Next, tap Search or look for the location option inside Marketplace. Depending on your version of the app, you may see one or the other, but both are used to help control what region Marketplace is showing you. After that, enter the city or country where you want to browse Marketplace. Be as accurate as possible, since listings usually reflect the local pricing format and local currency for that area. Once you find the correct location, select it and save your changes. After the location updates, Marketplace listings in that region will typically begin displaying in the local currency. Keep in mind that this may not happen instantly for every listing, so it can help to give the app a moment to refresh. If the currency still doesn't change, there's a second method you can try. Go to Settings and Privacy, then Open Settings. From there, look for your country or region information, or any location-related details available in your account. If Facebook gives you the option to update that information, make the change so it matches the area whose currency you want to see. After updating that, restart the Facebook app. Closing and reopening the app helps force the settings to refresh, and that can make Marketplace reflect the correct regional currency more consistently. One quick tip to remember is that some sellers may manually enter prices or use a format that doesn't perfectly match the region, so you may occasionally still see exceptions. But in general, changing your Marketplace location and, if needed, your Facebook region settings is the main way to get the correct currency to appear. And that's how to change currency on